guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my postpartum hair wash routine. A lot of things has changed since I had my baby. It's been 7 months now and my hair is finally kind of going back to normal. Still not back to normal, but it's getting there. So what I use is my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey shampoo, and this is the Hydrate and Repair shampoo. This shampoo has been so good to my hair. It's so hydrating, so moisturizing. My hair does not feel stripped after using this. I really focus on cleansing my scalp because the ends of my hair is super dry, so I really just focus on my scalp. And I promise you guys, your hair will smell good all week. Like, that's how good this shampoo smells. It's so nice. And it leaves my hair moisturized. So that's what I really love about the Manuka Honey shampoo. Next, I'm using the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner, Anti-Breakage Deep Conditioner. I saw this on somebody's video on YouTube, and I saw that it was only $5 in Walmart. So I figured I would give it a try. And guys, when I tell you this thing smells so good, I know it's not organic, I know it's not all natural, but it smells so freaking amazing. So I'm just gonna coat one section of my hair with this conditioner, and I'm using this Detangle Brush by Evolve. It's called Evolve by First Line Brands, and you can find this detangler in like Walmart. I think they're in Target, I'm not sure, but really love this brand. And this detangler brush, it literally gets every knot out of my hair. So I really get a good detangling going on with this brush. I try to coat like every strand of my hair, especially the places that gets really dry, and that's usually like the outer parts of my hair, like underneath. Those get drier quickly because my hair is always in like a little top knot or a bun, so those get the most exposure, most damage. So I always try to just coat all those sections and detangle it and just try to keep the conditioner on there as long as possible. Now, after I put extra conditioner in my hair, I'm gonna put that in a bun, and then I'm gonna use a plastic shower cap. Then I'm gonna use my Evolve Black Cheetah bonnet. It's a look satin bonnet, and you can use it either way. It's really nice, guys. Such good quality bonnet. And so I use that, put that over the shower cap, and I give it like 20 minutes. And this just promotes extra heat, extra moisture with my conditioner, give me a faster deep conditioning process in the shower. And then I like to go under the water and detangle even more, because this really helps me to get all the extra knots out, because my hair tangles so quickly, guys. Like, it's ridiculous how fast my hair tangles. So I like to just go under the shower and detangle even more, and this brush is great for that. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just letting you guys know that this is some bomb product, okay? Okay guys, once I'm done, I just take an old t-shirt and I just dry my hair with that. This helps me to get less frizz, and it actually helps me to get less tangles too. So I like using a t-shirt versus a towel. And then I use my Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I kind of just go over my hair with this like I would the deep conditioner, and I really saturate my hair with the leave-in. I heard bad reviews on this leave-in conditioner because I think it has like alcohol in there, but honestly my hair actually likes it. Like, my hair has been keeping its moisture even longer than it would, so I don't have a problem with this leave-in conditioner. Yeah, so I detangle again with this leave-in conditioner in there. And yeah, that's literally all I do for my wash process lately. After, I will definitely put coconut oil when I get out of the shower. But other than that, my hair actually keeps its moisture, and I get less breaking. But as you guys can see, my hair does not look the healthiest. If you think it looks the healthiest, that's great. But my hair does not look the healthiest right now. It doesn't feel the greatest. So it's still in its postpartum. Sincere, seriously, I'm trying to do a voiceover right now. Guys, my son will not let me live, okay? So yeah, I'm just trying to get it back to a healthy stage. That way my curls are popping again. My curls have not been popping lately. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye!